Hi CMA Trends, I am Ramona Williams here at Children's Museum Houston. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to experiment with a tasty sensory activity called Marshmallow Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is non-toxic and chemical free, however, I wouldn't consider it edible. I like to think of it more as a recipe that is taste safe and it is fun to play with. So let's get started. Okay, today we're making marshmallow Play-Doh. Can you believe that this Play-Doh is actually made out of marshmallows? So here are the supplies you'll need. You'll need a cup of marshmallows, a bowl that can go into the microwave, cornstarch, food coloring if you like to color your Play-Doh, a measuring spoon that is 1 teaspoon. I actually have a half teaspoon here, but I'm going to use that twice. And then you're going to need a tablespoon and some either vegetable oil or coconut oil. So let's go ahead and mix this up. The first thing that you're going to do is take your marshmallows that are inside the bowl. Oh, let me say this. The mini marshmallows are better to use because it's a lot easier to mix. So you're gonna have your marshmallows inside of the bowl, and now it's time for you to put 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil or coconut oil. And because I have a half teaspoon here, I'm gonna do it twice. This is where we need to make sure we have an adult, because the next thing we need to do is take this and put it inside of the microwave for only 30 seconds. In this pause, it's a great time to talk with your little one about what do you think is going to happen when we put these marshmallows in the microwave and they are heated up. So 30 seconds in the microwave. So what I'm doing now is I'm stirring my marshmallows and the oil together. If you can believe it, we are halfway finished. Look at that. Also, don't forget to be careful because our marshmallows are going to be warm at the beginning and it will start cooling down. The next thing is we're going to take our cornstarch, 3 tablespoons, I like to say 3 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch, and put inside of our mix. So that's my 3rd tablespoon. And this is also the time where I am going to put my food color drops in there. And it depends on how dark or how light you would like your Play-Doh. I'm gonna make this dark red, as dark as I can. And if it's not dark enough, guess what I just do? Just go back and add in some more. Now, you wanna stir and mix and stir and mix and stir and mix, okay? Get it all mixed in there. And we're gonna keep mixing and keep mixing, because at some point in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our hands in it, and it's okay if you have extra cornstarch on the edges, because that's gonna be very useful when we start putting our hands in it. So it's okay if you have cornstarch on the edges, because that will be useful when we start putting our hands in it. And I think I'm almost ready to start putting my hands in my Play-Doh mix. And here it goes. Wow, look at that. It's coming together really nicely. And if you notice that your hands are kind of stuck whenever you are kneading your dough, and that's a great word, I think, to talk about with your toddler or your little one, kneading. So if your hands get just a little stuck while you're kneading, just put cornstarch, and hey, do you guys see how messy this is getting? But that is okay. I'm gonna put a little bit more cornstarch on here, and I think I'm almost to my desired consistency. And that's what I want you to do when you are doing your Play-Doh, making your Play-Doh. Just play around with it. If you want to make it darker, put more food coloring. If you want to make it a little bit stiffer and less stickier, put more cornstarch. It is up to you. And once it's at the consistency in which you like it to be, then you can play. Now, like I said at the beginning, this isn't necessarily edible, but it is definitely tasteable. So if your child happens to lick the marshmallow Play-Doh, it's completely fine because, like I said, it is tasteable and safe and fun to play with. And so here we have it. We have Play-Doh, and I think I want to put my Play-Doh in the shape of an heart. Okay, CMA Trends, that is all the time I have for today. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, and I look forward to seeing you here at Children's Museum Houston. I'm Ramona Williams. Make it a great day.